Hey guys, I needed to let you know what the next video was. This is She's At It Again, and I'm Tanya. But the video that you're about to watch is for a fried egg. As simple as it sounds, there's people out there who won't even attempt a fried egg. They'll just say, I'll take scrambled eggs because they don't know how to fry it. And for years, as a kid, I remember you just fill your skillet up with a bunch of grease and put the egg in there and use your spatula to throw the grease up on it, and that's going to cook the top of it. But I think I figured out a way that's a lot better. I know it tastes better. It doesn't have near as much grease on it, and it's just easier to keep an eye on. You don't have to flip it over. I love my eggs sunny side up. I think they're pretty, and I can keep an eye on about how solid the yellow's getting. But I think this might be kind of enlightening to some people who are a little afraid of frying an egg. So as simple as it sounds, you're fixing to watch a fried egg video, and I think you're going to like it. Stay tuned. Hey friends, this video is pretty self-explanatory. This is just showing how to make a fried egg, and instead of talking during the video, I'm just doing a voiceover. So what we have in our little 6-inch cast iron skillet is some rendered bacon grease from some clean bacon, no nitrates, nitrites, uncured bacon. You're going to gently break your egg, drop it in there. If you're not comfortable breaking your egg into the skillet, thinking you might break the yolk, then break it into a bowl and just gently pour it in there. As you can see, I have a clear lid on this skillet. Of course, the lid didn't come with that. The lid is from a Pyrex dish of some sort, but because it's clear, I can actually see into the skillet and see how the egg is coming along and cooking. So what you're looking for is for the white part of the egg to become opaque, and then you're going to start looking for the yolk to have that white covering starting on it. Now, if you like a really well-cooked egg with the yolk not runny at all, you're going to let it cook for a little while after that. You know what you're looking for, but just make sure your lid's kind of cleaned off. It's going to condensate inside there, but it can give you a good enough idea of what it looks like that you can judge how well it's cooked. I personally like my yolk to still be a bit runny, so I know once it starts getting white on top of that yellow part, then I need to keep an eye on it, take it off the burner, and it's ready to rock and roll. The advantage to cooking it like this, of course, is that you're not only heating it from the bottom, but you're maintaining the steam and the heat on the top of the egg, so it's actually cooking from all directions instead of just letting the bottom get so underdone, sometimes getting to a point of being crisp, and then the top of it is still not done yet. So when I was growing up, my answer to that was just splash a bunch of grease on it, of course, and try to get it hot on the top. But if you have a lid on it, you're going to capture that heat inside. So just keep an eye on your egg, and you can determine when it's the doneness that you want. You can see from that that the white is pretty much cooked all the way through. The yellow part, not so much. Getting close. Tanya, keep the lid on it. I think I have my burner set on about 3.5 to 4, so that just kind of gives you an idea. It's not quite medium heat, it's just below medium heat. You don't want to cook it too fast. You can tell the inside's done without really the top being too white, so it pays to keep an eye on it. So we're at about around 6 minutes in, so it's taken us about 6 minutes. Here's the finished product, along with I think I had mango and strawberry, some cottage cheese, and some chopped walnuts on top of that. So there you go.